Hi guys, this is Brian with Soul Satisfaction. Today I have a BOLO video, items to look for when you're out reselling for great profit. Okay, today I'm getting ready to ship out this Marantz SR520. It's a vintage stereo receiver from the 80s. Okay, and I picked this up about a week ago at a garage sale for $2. Okay, and I just sold it on Offerup for 80, so I'm getting ready to ship it out. Electronics are a great item that can make a lot of money. When you're going out to these local garage sales, be on the lookout for these. You can usually get them for under $5. You got to do your research, look on eBay, type in the model number, look at the solds and what they're going for. You can test them in, plug them in. I have tested this unit out. It does work great. So this is going to make somebody really happy to find this vintage collectible. They're paying 80, I paid 2. So that's a $78 profit. That's real quick and easy to make, okay? So if you like these type of videos, if you want to know things to look for that can make you good profit on your part-time hustle, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when new videos come out. Also hit the like button and you'll be first to know. You can see today we're doing the shipping. We've got probably about 30 items going out, and this is going to be one of the bigger ones. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and have a great day.